IEBC forwarded it to the devolved legislative assemblies. Now, Timothy Odhiambo had urged the IEBC, argued that IEBC failed to authenticate signatures of voters supporting the referendum bill. And of course, IEBC had said that about 1.2 million registered voters supported the initiative by the Ekuru Aukot-led Third Way Alliance. And of course, remember, lastly, it is that Odhiambo accused the IEBC of contravening Article 257 of the Constitution by failing to authenticate the signatures of the 1.2 million people, registered voters who supported the initiative. That is a developing story, and we'll give you the latest update as and when we get them.